When you have a beautiful patio like this, even though it looks great, it functions great, we have all this great stuff going on, let me tell you what the best part is. The best part, in my opinion, as someone who loves to eat, is absolutely unequivocally the outdoor grill, right? The question I always ask anytime I'm going somewhere, whether I'm going to a party or somebody's outside patio or their pool or their house or whatever we're doing, my first question is always, what are we gonna eat? What's on the menu? What do you guys have? And so when we start talking about the grill, it's important to me to understand that not only are they able to cook, first of all, but they have an adequate cooking device, meaning are they gonna get it done and do they know how to use it? Well, this is TrueFlame. And TrueFlame is a grill that we chose to partner with for a couple reasons. Number one, we really like the company, the diligence, the way they handle things, their customer support, because they initially reached out to us to just see if we wanted to sell their grills. And that then developed into a relationship. I really appreciated the way that they did business. I really liked their attention to detail. I really liked their products. And then as we learned about TrueFlame, it became apparent to me over all the other grills we were talking to that we used in our outdoor living spaces that we had sold in the past, this was by far a superior grill. Now, a few things about it that I really liked. The first thing is just the build quality. The first time I saw one was literally in a box in the back of our rep's truck. And he opened it up after we had lunch, of course, and he showed it to all of us. He pulled it out, he let us lift it up, he let us look at it, he let us, look at everything about it as he explained and educated us. The other thing he did is he provided us with a ton of information about all the other TrueFlame products, why he liked them over other grills. And again, everybody's always got feature stories, right? They give you features as to why theirs is better. We have this and we do this and we do this and we do this. But at the end of the day, here's what I want to know. What do the people that's using it think about it? What does the end user think about the grill that they're now cooking on? Not what the sales guy said, but what is the user saying about TrueFlame? And so here's what we did. We actually got some reviews from some people who were using the TrueFlame product. Not paid people, not spokesperson, not other companies that were selling them. Strictly from the end user and really learned from them. But secondly, we talked to some of the other people who were selling TrueFlame. And here's the questions we asked them. How many problems are you having? How often do people complain about it? How often do they come back? How are they being returned? Do people tell you they like them, they love them, they hate them, or whatever? I wanted to really get a good feel from this brand, TrueFlame, to understand who we were about to partner with. Now, a couple things I'll share with you is this. Once we experienced it, we really liked it. Now we said, hey, let's see what the proof's in the pudding. So TrueFlame, we got a couple of these in with some of our clients and we let them start using them. Once they started using the TrueFlame grill, we started asking them questions. Some of them immediately came to us and said, it's the best grill I've ever used. I love it because of this, 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 and whatever. Now, we've talked about this on several occasions, but there's some things and features about this grill that's different than everybody else's. Number one, the quality of the steel. This is a 304 stainless steel, which means it's a much higher grade quality. It handles the heat better, handles the temperatures better, handles the outdoor elements better, but it's just gonna give you more longevity. So if you go buy a cheap grill somewhere, you might have to buy a new grill every 1 to 3 years. Or you can buy a really good grill and keep it 10 to 20 years. This to me is a 20-year grill. In my mind, the quality of this, if you maintain it and keep it up, this is a 20-year grill. It's one of those that you have forever, right? Now, some of the features I liked about it, now that we're past the benefits of the feedback, is that the way it performs. And the way it performs is, I found that it has a very even cook temperature because the way the burners are laid out, and then it has these square grates on top. And these square grates give you a higher surface area of contact. So it sears better, it cooks better, and it maintains temperature better. Even on this second tier rack up here, still square grates. Whereas when you have a round grate, two things, less contact and harder to clean because it's round. And in this case, you can really get these guys clean because they're square. The other thing I really liked about them is the burner layout and kind of how they protect the burners. So you see this under here? This keeps a bunch of stuff from falling down into your burners because your burners are usually the first thing to go in your grill. So the better you protect them, the longer they're gonna last. And by doing that, the way that these guys do it, they're creating more of an even temperature, but they're also preserving the grill, preserving the burners, because the more grease and all the other stuff that falls into that burner, the shorter life that it's gonna have. So those are a few things that obviously we like. We also like the way that these guys illuminate. Whenever I do that, I'm like, man, that's super cool. That looks like some sort of high-end electronics or almost like a spaceship, you know? And then of course you have the inside light. So if you're ever cooking out here at night, or you don't have a lot of light outside, or you just need to see better, you have these great cool color illuminated dials, which to me look like something you would see inside your home on a high-end appliance. I really like that. And of course the nice LEDs are right under here, kind of lights all the knobs up well. And then of course the inside cook lights that allow you to see actually what you're cooking, because even when you have lights, as it gets darker in the evening, you kind of have a hard time, at least I do, telling how charred or seared or burned my food is if I'm not checking temperature. So whenever you have these great inside lights, you have these square griddle, burner inserts here that you can absolutely on the grate, you can better determine kind of where your food at is cooked temp wise, rather than using an internal temperature or thermometer per se. So those are several things that I like about it. The other part that I really like is just how heavy duty it is. The weight of it, the performance of it, the handle, and this look. Instead of having the big rounded top grills, this does have a little bit more of a square edge to it. It has a little bit more of a sleek look, as I call it, more sexy. And I think aesthetically it stands out from all the other grills. And of course the True Flame products, they make several other things for your outdoor living space. They have several different appliances, all in which are made with the same way. They're using the 304 stainless. They're doing things better than everyone before them. They don't want to just be another product that's competing in the market. They want to be a product that's dominating the market by building a better product. And I think by far that they've done that. So remember, if you're thinking about buying a grill, always do your homework. Talk to people, look at reviews. Hopefully you've learned a lot about True Flame grills, so when you're out there making your decision, True Flame is definitely the one that you choose. We love it. Everybody we know that has them loves it, and everybody that sells them loves them. So I think that's 3 really good rules why you should buy a True Flame grill. Thank you for watching, and remember, always do the right thing.